Welcome to Easy Art 47. Today I am going to draw Kakashi Hatake and the anime girl face in a very easy, simple, step by step. You can follow along with me, and if you want, you can like and share and subscribe to my channel Easy Art 47. See, with the very simple step, I will show you how I make the anime face, and with the help of this you can draw your own anime face and style. There are some basic rules which are to be followed. First, you have to find the gender and the style, and it's very simple with the step, and even a beginner can learn to draw with my steps. So see, first I draw the headband, and then I draw the creek which is called the hair, and then I move to face, and with basic V shape face for muscular man, and slightly pointed face for the girl. I made it all, as you can see.